Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a really exciting one. So I have got my hands on the Lift and Define 5D Lash Mascara from Revolution. Now, oh my gosh, there is such a rave about this mascara. Like, everyone on Instagram, all the influencers and bloggers and even TikTok, everyone is going on about this mascara, and I thought we could try it out together. So I'm going to do my first impressions on this. My lashes are very short, like extremely short. I've always had a bit of an issue with them, so I hope it comes out okay, and I hope I can give you like a proper review considering how short my lashes are. But I've had lash extensions in the past and I've just pulled at them and I've ruined my lashes, but we'll sort it. So I'm gonna try with this eye and leave this one bare, and I'm gonna literally see what this is all about. So it says it lengthens, it lifts, it defines, and it stretches, and it's got volume as well. So this is the before. Don't know if you can see, that's the before and that's the after. Wow. So the brush itself is really pretty. Like, the brush itself is lovely. It's very different to ones I've used. I've used like really thick big ones. So let's put her to the test. Oh, first of all, I'm going to curl my lashes just so we can get a really nice... Okay, so let's try this baby out. Wow, it's really separated them. Excuse my brows. Lockdown's been rough on the brows. Oh my god, it's really separating them, which I love. That is just one coat. Are you joking? Are you joking me? Oh my god, the dogs next door, they're so loud. Crikey. Okay, this is insane. So this is sort of one coat, and I'm honestly way impressed. Like, it's really separated my lashes, it's lengthened them. Like, look at the difference. You see what I mean? It's crazy. So this was a real test because my lashes are so small and short. So I thought, this is not going to work, not on my short lashes, not on my short ass lashes. So I'm really surprised with this product. I think it's great. I definitely would recommend it. Like, I'm really impressed with this. I love how it instantly gives you a lash lift. Wow. So considering how, like, can you see how long them lashes are and then how short these are? So they're all messed up, but I'm gonna be doing a lash serum growth thing. So maybe I'm gonna be doing like a lash growth journey. I really want to grow my lashes, and I'm gonna be trying one out very soon. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. But overall, like, if we just take away how bad my lashes are in general, this mascara is really good. Like, it's really great at thickening and lengthening. It does give you a lash lift. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely recommend this mascara. I'm going to put the price on the screen for you guys so you can see. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you are going to go and buy this mascara and what you thought of this review, and I shall see you guys in another video. Bye.